Hi everybody. Subject Python for problem solving. Unit 5. Topic command line arguments. Handled by Mr. B. Prabhu Shankar, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology. You see command line arguments. Why we are using the command line arguments? It is mostly used to control our program from outside. So that's why we go for a command line argument. How it will work means they are passed to main functions. That argument passed to main functions. They are arguments supplied to the program when it's invoked. They are used to control program from outside instead of hard coding those values inside the code. So we have to control our program from outside. We go for command line arguments. So what are the argument you are passing in command line? That argument goes to your program and execute, and again result sent back to command line. Command line arguments are arguments sent to the program being executed. The input can be directly sent as an argument command line to our program. When a program is running under command prompt, when input can pass directly in the command and can fetch using sys module. We are writing a command line argument program. The steps to be followed: first we have to import sys module, then how many arguments we are passing. So that is sys.argument vector is going to be stored how many number of arguments we passed, and then we have to find the length of the argument. We have to use the len sys.argument vector. It's getting a number of arguments. See the example of command line argument. This is a sample code. First we have to save this code with the file name cmd1.py. This is the file name of this code. Already I said we have to import sys module using import. How many arguments we passed, we have to calculate it. So the no arguments variable stored number of arguments. So that's going to be printed here. So number of argument equal to how many arguments we passed, that's going to display it there. Then what are the argument you passed? So that's going to be handled by sys.argv. Suppose passed 2 arguments, 3 arguments, means there are arguments stored in arguments variable. The sky blue color printf statement displayed how many argument, what are the argument you passed. See this output. You compile this program and save some specific location, but I saved this program python c:python 27 folder. Then you have to close this, and then you have to enter in a command prompt. Okay, so you have to enter file location, the python you have to write. Okay, then you have to type a file name. I saved that code in cmd1.py. that file name you have to give, and then you have to pass some values, like here I passed 1 and 2. Okay, so the file name is also here calculated as one argument. So totally 3 arguments. Those arguments passed to your program and displayed number of arguments 3. The red color printf statement displayed the red color output. And then what are the argument you passed? So I passed 3 arguments. Command 1.py, that's 1 argument, 1 also second argument, 2 also third argument. So what are the argument I passed? That's also displayed in sky blue color printf statement. So this is the output of our command argument. We will see elaborate in next slide. So in this slide we discuss how to run your program in command prompt. First you have to open a command prompt. You have to click Windows Start button and search cmd keyword. So you have to double click the cmd icon. So the command prompt will open. So this is our command prompt. That image is command prompt. So you have to enter your python directory. That is a cd, that is change directory python 27 your folder. So you have to enter your folder. That is a command for you are executing a command argument python. You have to give a file name cmd.1.py. that is our python program, and then we have to pass 2 arguments 1 and 2. Okay, once you press enter, those arguments passed in your program is going to display number of arguments 3. So cmd1.py also take it as a first argument, 1 also take it as a second argument, 2 also take it as a 3 arguments. Totally we passed 3 arguments. So it display number of arguments. See, what are the argument you passed? That's also stored in third line. So this is the way we are executing our command line arguments. We are giving input through command line. You take it as argument, go to your program, execute, and then again the result sent back to command line. So that's all. So thank you for watching this video.